In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, you need to click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away to add them, or select the gallery section and pick them here. You can also click on folders, hold any of your photos, and tap on select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my chosen pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!